Hi, Sherrybells! Good morning!
Good morning.
Hello! Yes, we're going to the RAF Cosford Museum today!
And
Yay!
we're gonna see some planes and helicopters.
Yes, lovely. We're gonna have a little picnic there as well. So that is we're just here by the maple, guys.
And
Ano to?
I want some sausage roll.
Yes, that's what she wants to have. Magandang araw today, guys. So naisipan lang namin mamasyal. Ate's gone away with her friends. So kami tatlo lang magkakasama, si Daddy Luis, tsaka ako, tsaka si Maya. And then we're just gonna go to the museum and mag-ikot-ikot lang. Sama kayo sa amin, sama kayo sa lakwatsa namin. Duty pang atin yung mamaya. Tsaka habang maganda pa ang panahon, kasi pag malamig na, hindi na tayo makakapaglakwatsa masyado. Tsaka yun, basta panoorin nyo and stay with us while we go to the museum. Hello again. We're on the way there now. Meron na kaming dalang baon. Kabili na kami kanina. Oh my gosh.
Adventure.
Yes, gonna go on an adventure. Woo! Lovely, lovely blue skies, Maya. Hindi na nakakatakot. May mga 6 na cars na nag-race sa harap namin. Muting nang may maaksidente. Gutom na si Maya. So, I'm just cooling your sausage roll, Maya, and then I'll give it to you in a minute, okay? Nag-swimming sila mag-daddy kaninang umaga. So, tanghali ako nagising. Alas 10 na ako nagising. Tanghali, di ba? Tamad sa higaan. Ganun talaga. Minsan, you have to just pakiramdaman ng katawan, di ba? How your body is, and kung pagod ang katawan, ipagpahinga. Dahil mahirap magkasakit. As I've said to my previous vlogs, mahirap magkasakit lalo na pag nasa ibang bansa ka. So, yun lang, guys. Ang ganda ng weather today. Look at the blue skies. Ang ganda. Ganda. So, ano na lang, we've got another, how long, honey, to go? Half an hour, and then we're gonna be getting there soon. Magtatanghalian na rin dito. It's about 12:15 na ng tanghali. So, medyo gutom na si Maya. Ako hindi masyado kasi kumain ako ng breakfast late na. Si Daddy, ayan, medyo gutom na din kasi nga medyo busy ang umaga niya with Maya. Pero alam niyo na, maitang asawa ko, pinagpahinga ako ng bonggang-bongga. So yon, anyways, we'll see you in a little while.
Kids doing a classic there.
Okay, we're here, Mai.
Oh, look, there's a plane.
Oh, look at that, there's a big tail of the plane over there. Wow. Yeah, really well remembered. See?
There's one here. Look at the planes everywhere.
Well, we not wait on this plane.
No, we're not going to ride on it.
No,
We're just
no,
going to go and look at them.
Just gonna look at them. We're here. Daddy's getting a ticket for the car park.
I can see him.
Look, there's Daddy. We're here now. We're just gonna have a picnic. O, diba? Advice ko sa inyo, pagka maglalakad-lakad kayo and stuff, magbaon na lang kayo para makatipid-tipid. Hindi na bibili kasi mostly some cafeterias here medyo mahal. So, magpipiknik lang kami. Nagbaon na kami ng sandwiches. Bumili na kami sa Greg's and stuff. And then, I'm gonna show you inside the museum. Ang laki niyan. This is the 3rd time that we've been here. The 2nd time, Maya was only like 10 months old, so she doesn't know what's happening. So, ayan, excited na mag-picnic ang mag-daddy. There.
Yeah. Wow, really? You can eat another one? You took.
You had two!
Can't be good for you.
That's a
but
second
alright.
sausage roll, but never
Can't be
mind.
good for it.
Doesn't matter. There we go. We're gonna just have a little picnic, guys, and I'll see you in a little while. We're inside now, guys. I'm just waiting on Lou and Maya. They've just gone into the toilets now. Yan. Pag Tagbungad nyo pa lang, there's a restaurant there on both sides. Kumain na kami sa labas, so hindi na ako, may tinga-tinga pa. hindi na kami nag-bother po kumain sa loob kasi mahal na. So yan, papasyal ko kayo dyan mamaya. But I'm just waiting for Daddy and Lou to come out of the toilet. And then I'll show you around. In here. What are you going to? Wow. Look at this massive plane, Mai.
And look, this flag. It's black a flag.
The black one. Massive one over there in the front.
They're old. Look how old that one is.
I want old.
What are you doing? Going in a line. Oop, oop, oop. Oop. Come on then, unicorn Maya, let's go. Yes, what does it say? Says Neptune. Neptune.
No, Neptune and Neptune. An aeroplane.
What does it say?
I like tea.
T.
And made.
Wow.
No, gonna ride on
Go on the head up.
Wow. It's massive, isn't it?
It's a sign. It's a wheel.
Go, go, go.
It's a really big one.
It's massive, isn't it? Dito na tayo sa loob. Ayan, I'll show you around. Ang daming mga planes. I think this is like old warfare planes that's been basta. Gulo ko. Hindi ako pwedeng tourist guide, di ba? Yung mga yan, basta. I'll show you several planes, okay? Whoa! What happens? Whoa! It's the air blowing in your face. Yeah. Yeah. Hiya. Woo! Si Bendy. Ang hangin sa loob, oh. May palibleng blower sila. Now go inside, Maya. Go, 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 go. Yay! Gonna go inside the cockpit. Woo! Lap. Good girl. You could drive, that's okay. Oh my, oh, it looks a bit scary down here.
No.
Woo! We're inside the plane. Wow, are you flying it? Wow. Are you gonna be a pilot, Maya? Wow, you're landing the plane. Are you landing the plane, darling? Yellow one, yeah, and a white one. So there's gonna be bigger planes on the other side. We're not gonna say ready, steady, and woo! You're heavy. Ready and woo! You're heavy, darling. Wow, there's bigger planes up here, Maya. Go in. To look at ang daming eroplano tayo sa ilalim ng eroplano. Here we go. This is another big plane. Tignan nyo kung gaano kalaki yung just the wheels of it. It's massive. Oh yeah, look at this. Look at this, guys. I don't know how good actually show you how enormous this airplane is. Laki-laki niya. So big. I've lost Daddy and Maya. I don't know where they've gone. I think they're just around. I don't know where they've gone to. Look at that. Look at the engine of the plane. Whoa. Is it? Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, and then it just like bombs away like that. amazing how they could spend like, ayan, ang laki-laki, ang bigat-bigat. Ayan, mga nasa air sila lahat. It's just amazing. Nakakamangha. Kahit saan ka lumingon, parang, God, so massive. Nandilita ko sa sarili ko. Making too much noise. There you are. Yeah.
Can't have a lot because you're going out tonight. Do you want? Who's round there? Round here, Mike. Bring that scoop.
Just a small bit, darling. Just tiny bit. That's it. Just let her, darling. Okay. That's it.
You want to say T-E-D-D-Y as well.
3 packs of this. Thank you very much.
I've got...
How your daddy looks like at the end of the day. Thank you so much for joining us on our day today. And ayun, naghahabulan si Daddy tsaka si Maya sa may likod. I don't know where they've gone, but thank you so much for joining us. And don't forget to comment down below. Dahil mas maraming comment, mas masaya. So, until next time guys, we've had a really full on day. So until next time, see you soon. Bye. Ciao. Steady, steady, go.